Hi, this is Marieke Blokland from Studio Bloknote and you are watching The Art of Raw.
Boom.
This video series is here to give you your weekly dose of raw art inspiration. Sometimes I talk about art supplies, sometimes about a specific technique. This week I am working in my junk journal. In case you don't know what a junk journal is a handmade book filled with all kinds of papers. Papers rescued from the trash, old scraps, misfit drawings, or simply papers you like. Anything goes. In this particular journal, the backgrounds already hold a lot. Text, blotches, stickers, messy marks. I think of this one as my dark book, a space where I process heavier emotions. In this video, you will see me draw and paint an expressive figure. I hope it inspires you to create something expressive today too.